Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Mazda Certified Pre-Owned vehicles provide you the peace of mind and confidence in the vehicle that you're driving. A thorough, detailed inspection conducted by a Mazda Certified technician ensures that the vehicle has been properly reviewed. Mazda Certified means that you have both limited and Powertrain Warranty and 24-hour emergency roadside assistance. Stop into your local Mazda dealer today and ask about Mazda's fantastic Certified Pre-Owned program.